Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and getting credentials. This is critical. Create and activate a virtualenv, then pip install the client libraries and web framework. Once done, secure your API key in a env file and load it with Python .env. Make sure to choose whether you call a hosted API or run a local model. Each changes dependencies. Now, scaffold a small app file and a requirements. TXT so you have repeatable version setup. Proceed to implement the core I/O next. You now implement the chat loop and state management. This is the heart. Build a function that accepts user input, appends context, calls the model API or local inference, and returns text. Use a context window to trim old messages and store recent messages per session in SQLite or in memory cache. Once done, add retry logic with exponential backoff and input validation. Make sure to log calls, inspect latency, and test with varied prompts to tune temperature and max tokens for reliable output. You finish by packaging and deploying the chatbot so users can access it. Containerize the app, configure the reverse proxy, and run health checks, then scale horizontally if needed. Once live, monitor logs, latency, and cost metrics. Tune model settings to balance quality and expense. If something breaks, first verify API keys and cores, then inspect model timeouts and memory. If responses are cut off, increase max tokens or trim context. If hallucinations persist, add system prompts and clearer user instructions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.